In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create charts in PowerPoint. By the end, you'll know how to insert a chart, enter your data, customize its look, and place it exactly where you want it on your slide. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint. You can use an existing presentation or start fresh with a new slide. If you're adding a chart to a slide you already have, consider switching to a simple layout or one with a content placeholder so your chart has room to breathe and stays readable. Next, go to the Insert tab at the top and click Chart in the Illustrations group. This opens the Insert Chart window where you'll choose the chart that best fits your message. Column charts are great for comparing categories side by side. Line charts show trends over time. Pie charts work when you're highlighting parts of a whole, ideally with just a few slices. Bar charts are similar to columns but horizontal, which can improve readability for long labels. If your data calls for it, area, scatter, or combo charts can handle more nuanced relationships. Pick the layout you want and click OK. An Excel-like spreadsheet will pop up next to your slide. Replace the placeholder values with your own data, including clear headers for categories and series. As you type, the chart updates instantly so you can see whether the structure and chart type are telling your story well. If your categories and series seem flipped, don't worry, you can switch them in a moment. With the chart selected, use the Chart Design tab to quickly change the overall style or colors to match your presentation theme. The Switch Row Column button can reorient your data if labels aren't where you expect them. Add chart elements like a title, axis titles, data labels, a legend, or grid lines to improve clarity. Then head to the Format tab for finer control over fills, outlines, fonts, and effects. Keep contrast high and avoid overly busy effects so the data remains the star. Give your chart a clear, concise title that explains the takeaway, not just the topic. If it helps your audience, turn on data labels to show exact values and include a legend to identify each series without crowding the chart. To resize, click the chart and drag a corner handle to keep proportions intact. Drag the chart to reposition it. Smart guides will help you align it with other content for a polished look. Finally, save your work with Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac. Save early and often to protect your changes. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more PowerPoint tips and tutorials.